To connect headphones into the Xiaomi TV A Series, first of all, just grab remote controller, click on the settings icon, and right now you have to just go for Bluetooth settings. Open them, and now you have to grab your headset and you have to enter for the pairing mode. So in the most cases, you have to find a button and indicator and click and hold the button until indicator starts blinking quickly in a white color, in the blue color, or for example in the green or red. It actually depends on your headset, but that's how it looks in my Sennheiser headphones. Now grab your remote controller and click to pair accessory. Now just wait for the pairing process, and as you can see in the right upper corner, I can find my device, so I have to just select by clicking OK button. Wait for connection, it will take around a few moments. And now when you got the pairing request, you will have to just click OK and accept. And as you can see now, we are successfully connected. And now what you have to do if something is not working, for example, the sound doesn't actually comes from your headphones, it comes actually from your TV speaker. So to fix this, you have to open the settings. Now go to the settings on the right upper corner. And right now go into the system sound. And that was my bad. Instead of the system, we have to go for display and sound and go for audio output. And now you have to go for the output device and make sure that the Bluetooth device is selected. If it is not selected, then you have to switch this into your Bluetooth device instead of the speaker.